Welcome again, and we are going to do some trading now. This is going to be very interesting. Now you all selected from the previous video what coins that you'd like to invest and what could have a future. Now you have done certain analysis as to what cryptocurrencies that you are planning to invest, right? So with that in mind, let's do some trading. First of all, you have to go to this icon which is right beside the Binance logo, like 9 boxes, and when you take your cursor there and you can see a menu. In that you have to click on exchange. Now the exchange is loading. This is also considered as the world's largest crypto exchange in terms of volume traded here. So initial screen it shows, I know this is like more of black, green and red, but you will be more familiar. I will take you through step by step. You will be more familiar as to what we need to initially focus and how we can understand this exchange first of all, right? Before we trade, it's like the figures and digits running here and there. Of course, we need to understand what this does and how we can have a clear picture about this, the interface that we are seeing right now. If you see here BTC USD, this is the cryptocurrencies. If I am going to, what is the value now? Here actually it says what is the value of BTC in terms of USDT. So what is the trend? That is what this chart says. Also, how you can select this is you can simply type BTC from the search bar on the top right corner, BTC slash USDT. Always keep in mind to check your cryptocurrency in terms of USDT, that is easy, because we are always comparing with the dollar value, right? What is the value? If because we are very used with the dollar spending, so we have a very good understanding about how much is the dollar value, and we need to compare it with the dollar value. Then only we will have a very clear image in our mind exactly how much we are going to invest in this crypto. So I'm going to select the BTC into USDT. So when I click that, it will be the same that will pop up because it is already selected by default BTC and to USDT. And this chart, this green color tag shows the price right now. It changes. I can't say you, I can't even read this. It changed right in seconds. So this is the price right now. This is how the price changing. And if you see the chart, you can see this axis, the years, and here are the values. Okay, so in 2000, let's say 2018, the value it may have it already reached around 19,000, and likewise now we are in 2021. Now the price is 47,500, and it also reached to a amount. Now if you see here 58,000 amount, you can see that shows the maximum or the highest Bitcoin price that went up to right now. So this might be varying by the time you watch and trade. So, and if from your cursor, and if you scroll in between, you can see a very zoomed view, right? Like what has happened, the green shows the positive, it increased, but the red shows it decreased. So you can see it increased over the time, right? From the month of October, it increased. If you see here the date, October, yeah, it's first till 2021, the prices increase. It shows in green, and also these two trend lines it shows for us. It is making us more easier to understand what is the trend. So when I can zoom it through my mouse, the scroll button, and then it will show a better picture of what is happening, what is the gap between the price increase. So that is what the gap here see. So this is how I can see what is the current price and what has happened, by what date it increased, by what date it reduced, and what is the overall trend. Now I'm actually looking into a time frame of 1 month, and likewise I can also click on 1D, that means within the day what has happened. This also shows fluctuations, right? Green shows it increased, and the red shows it decreased likewise. So what again you need to understand from this chart is, if you see here the market trades, this shows the current the exchange, how much people buy is green, how much people sell, it's all in BTC, how much values, everything comes in and goes out. So this exchange, what determines this price, how much you are demanding to buy will impact the price to increase, and how much you're selling, and then that will have a impact on this price as well. So that is how the fluctuations happen, buy and sell, then the demand that you make for these cryptos, right? Now again, okay, we will look for another cryptocurrencies. Okay, I'm going to now okay, we checked ADA, right? Cardano, can you remember from the previous video? Let's see what is happening to that crypto. Is it good to buy or not? USDT. Here we go, ADA USDT. We'll see what has happened and what's its trend. Good. By the look of it, it is increasing, right? If you see the trend, it's increasing. But right now it's in red tag. That means it is the price is bit downwards. But in few seconds, this can go up as well. So if you see, look into this now, as of now, and from the 2nd of February, 28th of February, there's a bit of decrease in terms of the daily view. And if I'm to look through this in a week view, of course there's a good improvement, but the current week there is a downward. This is how this is how the exchange, and this is the price that you would get if you are to buy ADA cryptocurrency right now. Okay, I hope this is clear and you are very clear now with this view. Green shows the improvements or increase in, red shows the decline or the downwards, the trend, and now you can select the cryptocurrency what you need to verify and what you need to buy. It is, you can type here.